Android update failed to install, and 7 fixes that actually work. You tapped install, watch the progress bar crawl forward, and then your phone hit you with an error message. Android update failed to install. No explanation, no help, just failure. Don't panic. This happens all the time, and it's almost always fixable. Let me walk you through exactly why this happens and 7 ways to fix it. First, let's talk about why updates fail in the first place. The number one reason is storage space. Your phone needs 2 to 4 gigabytes free just to download, unpack, and install the update. Even if your storage shows 3 gigs available, Android reserves some of that for system operations. If you're anywhere close to the limit, that's probably your problem. The second common cause is corrupted cache data. Over time, your phone builds up temporary files that can go bad without warning. When the update process hits corrupted data, it stops. Third is an unstable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi drops even briefly during download, the update file can arrive damaged. Your phone won't realize it's broken until it tries to install. Now let's fix it. Method 1, clear the system cache partition. Power off your phone completely, hold volume up and power together until you see recovery mode. Navigate to wipe cache partition, confirm it, then reboot. This clears corrupted temporary files without touching your personal data. Method 2, free up storage space, delete apps you don't use, clear cached data in your storage settings, back up your photos to Google Photos and remove the local copies. Aim for at least 5 gigabytes free. Method 3, reset your network settings. This forces your phone to download a fresh copy of the update instead of trying to install the same corrupted file over and over. Go to settings, general management, reset, then reset network settings. You'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. Method 4, download the update over Wi-Fi only. Mobile data is less stable for large downloads. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network, get close to your router, and start the download fresh. Method 5, boot into safe mode. Hold the power button, then press and hold power off until safe mode appears. This disables third-party apps that might be interfering with the update. Method 6, factory reset. This is the last resort. It erases everything, so back up your data first, but it eliminates any software conflicts blocking the update. Method 7, install the update manually from a computer. Samsung users can use Smart Switch. Pixel users can sideload using ADB. This bypasses wireless delivery entirely. Most people fix their Android update, failed to install error within the first 3 methods. Start simple. Clear the cache, free up storage, and try again over stable Wi-Fi. If you're still stuck after trying everything, it might be a hardware issue or something specific to your carrier. But 9 times out of 10, one of these 7 methods gets you back on track. That's it. Your phone wants to update. Sometimes it just needs a little help getting there.